Let's take a look at editing notes within Reason. We're looking at the Thor track. We've picked the Thor lane, and we're in edit mode, and we can see the notes all in gray. That means we can't edit them yet. We need to double click, and then we're in color. If we want to get out of this mode, we press Escape. So that prevents us from accidentally changing something. And we can select any note just by clicking it, and you can hear the note will sound. That's actually the bass sound, that little click. And we can select a range of notes just by dragging over it. We can shift click to select multiple notes. Control click in Windows does the same thing. And in Windows, you can actually shift click a range of notes, which you can't do on the Mac. Once I have a note selected, I can easily move to the next note by using my right arrow, and to the previous note by using my left arrow. Pretty simple. It's also very easy to choose all of the notes at the same pitch. For example, if I select something on C#, I just control click or right click my mouse and choose select notes of same pitch. And now all of my C# have been chosen. That means I can operate on all of them at the same time. And lastly, we can select all of our notes by choosing Select All from the context menu, or by using Command A or Select All from the Edit menu. Very easy to select all of the notes. So that's how we select notes. How do we add new notes? Well, we just grab our pencil tool, which we can get from the toolbar or by typing W, as we know, and just type them in. Now they're all confined to 16th notes because that's what my snap is set at. Now they will all be 1 bar long and locked to the bar. If I drag without letting go of my mouse, I can make it longer or shorter, but only by bars at a time, because that's what my snap is set to. And I just drag notes up and down to position them. I can select a group of notes and drag them up and down to position them. Let's shift click this one. Remember, control click on Windows. And now all the notes I selected will move. If I hit backspace, all the notes I've selected are deleted. And I can also use my eraser tool, which again is the letter E. It's a little hard to select notes with the eraser tool, but it's nice if you select a group of notes and they're all deleted. Again, I could have selected them with the arrow tool and just hit backspace, so I don't use the eraser tool very much. And then you can see me dragging the notes just from that little arrow next to the note. If I turn off snap, then all bets are off. I can move it wherever I want. I can drag it wherever I want. Let's try that again. There we go. So I'm not confined to any metric unit. If I turn on snap, then when I drag or move, everything's confined to the bar. I can also use the Command key and the up and down arrows, and it will move the note up and down by semitones. That's a nice little trick to use. And while we're on the subject of tricks, Command left and right arrow will move the note back and forth based on your snap value. We'll continue our discussion of editing notes in the next video.